Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 263. This case is a little bit unique case. The name of the case is GT Homes versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 102 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 11. The matter has been decided by Raipur ITAT and the date of the judgment is 23rd January 2023. In this particular case, the assessment of the assessee was completed under section 143 subsection 3. The period which is under consideration, in that period the assessee has received a loan of rupees 20 lakh from a company A Limited, and during the same period the assessee has repaid the loan of rupees 2.07 crore to 7 companies, and when the assessment was done, the returned income of the assessee was accepted. After completion of the assessment, the Commissioner of Income Tax received information from SEBI that all the companies from whom the assessee has taken the loan and the companies to whom the loan has been repaid were shell companies. So on the basis of that information, the Commissioner of Income Tax initiated the revision proceedings under section 263 against the assessee. So first of all, the question arises whether in this case the right approach is to initiate the proceedings under section 263 or to issue the notice under section 148. According to my perception, the right approach is to issue the notice under section 148, because the question arises whether the information about the shell companies which was not available at the time when the assessment was being made, and when this information is now come new to the Commissioner of Income Tax, whether this information will become the part of the record available with the CIT. In this case, with the due respect to the ITAT held that this information will become part of the record with the Commissioner of Income Tax. But if this case will be perceived in right perception, then the department will get a new weapon of 263 in all those cases where information is received by the department, and they will have a parallel remedy under this section of 263. When the information regarding the shell companies was not available with the assessing officer, then it cannot be said that the order passed by the assessing officer was erroneous. When the assessee moved to the ITAT regarding these additions being done by the assessing officer under section 263, the assessing officer added rupees 20 lakh under section 68 for the receipt of the loan and 2.07 crore under section 69C, which is for unexplained expenditure. When the matter was being heard by the ITAT held that the addition under section 68 is justified for the receipt of the loan under section 68, but when the assessee has repaid the loan, it cannot be said that the assessee has incurred expenditure. So the addition which was being done for the repayment of the loan under section 69C, which is for unexplained expenditure, cannot be done under section 69C, because that is not unexplained expenditure. So if we draw the conclusion from this case, then it comes that addition done under wrong section is not justified. 263 was justified in the eyes of the ITAT and according to the verdict of the ITAT, but we come across a number of the cases where the addition is being done, but it is not under the correct section. My view from the very beginning is that the addition done under even under the wrong section is not valid. But if we see the whole case, in this case, ITAT held that the addition under section 68 for the receipt of loan is justified, but the addition done for the repayment of the loan under section 69C, which is for unexplained expenditure, is not justified because it cannot be said that by repaying the loan, the assessee has incurred an expenditure. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is GT Homes versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 102 ITR, short notes 11. The matter has been decided by Raipur ITAT and the date of the judgment is 23rd January 2023.